Very good morning, students. You are welcome in the 12th chapter of your social science course. The title of the chapter is Natural Disasters. In this chapter, we will learn about flood, droughts, earthquakes, and cyclones. So, let's learn them one by one. See, the nature sustains life on earth, but it can also cause destruction. Forces of nature that cause destruction of life on earth are called natural disasters. Like floods, droughts, earthquakes, cyclones, volcanic eruptions, landslides, tsunamis, etc. are the examples of natural disasters. So, first one is floods. Floods occur when a river or a stream flow over its banks and the water spread to the surrounding areas. Floods generally occur due to heavy rainfall or by collapse of dams, blocking of rivers due to landslides, cyclones, tsunamis, and a sudden melting of snow on mountains during the summer season. And floods are very common in India, especially in the northern plain. They cause damage to life, property, and crops. Diseases such as cholera, malaria, and dengue generally spread in areas hit by floods due to waterlogging. Students, we can prepare for flood by following simple things like listening to the radio or watching television for warning and advice. Keeping a radio, a torch, a few matchboxes, and candles handy. Next is storing stocks of food and fresh water, assembling a first aid kit and keeping it ready for an emergency, drawing up a list of emergency numbers and switching off and unplugging all the electrical appliances in the house. Trees should be planted as they prevent flood water from spreading fast. Special dams can also be built to check the speed of water. Now, next one is droughts. Drought means occurrence of little or no rain for a long period of time, and this lead to extreme scarcity of water. Drought affected area have very few natural sources of water. Farmers are most affected during the drought as they are unable to grow crops. This results in a shortage of food leading to a famine. To prevent droughts, we can do certain things like grow more trees, develop rainwater harvesting system, grow drought resistant crops such as sorghum, millets, maize, etc. and spray water directly on the base of plants so that less water is used. And the best way to fight drought is to help effective irrigation facilities. We should develop effective irrigation facilities. So this has been tried and proved successful in many areas of Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Now, next natural disaster is earthquake. Sometimes the ground shakes violently. This is caused by sudden movements under the earth surface, and this is known as earthquake. The earth experiences thousands of earthquakes every year. However, most of them are small tremors. We do not even feel them. And it is difficult to predict an earthquake. Actually, it occurs without any warning. The seismograph is an instrument that is used to record earthquake. The magnitude or intensity of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale, and the scientific study of earthquake is called seismology. The place of origin of an earthquake is called the focus, and the point directly above the focus on the earth's surface is called epicenter. The effect of an earthquake is maximum near the epicenter. And in India, Himalayan region experiences frequent earthquakes. And earthquakes are also occur very frequently in Japan, Philippines, and around the edges of the Pacific Oceans. Now, you can take certain precautions during the earthquake, like we should get out of our house and move to an open area. We should stay away from buildings, trees, and power lines. And we can sit under a heavy table if we are inside a building or cannot get out. Okay, and we should use staircase and not the lift during and immediately after the after an earthquake. Now, earthquake can lead to other natural disasters such as landslides, avalanches, tsunamis, etc. you know Some other natural disasters are blizzards, landslide, volcanic eruption, tornado, wild fire, or we can say forest fire, avalanches, tsunamis, etc. But now, next, we are going to study about cyclones. Cyclones are violent storms. They form over oceans and seas and cause destruction when they reach the coastal areas. And cyclones are always accompanied by heavy showers and high speed winds. In India, all the coastal states like West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, these are the prone to cyclones. In October 2014, a very powerful cyclone named Hudhud hit the eastern coast of India. It caused severe damage to the coastal areas of Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. So, we can prepare for a cyclone by following certain steps, like listen to the radio and watch television for weather forecast and warnings. Move to a safe place before the cyclone arrives, and store dry food in waterproof bags. Stay away from the ocean or seas, and keep phone numbers of hospitals, relatives, and friends handy. So that's all in this chapter. Thank you.